Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to cut and move music in Capcut. Open the Capcut application. Create a new project. Select a particular video you want to use. Tap on Add Audio. Click on Sounds from the bottom bar. Tap on Your Sounds. Go to My Device and select the particular music. Scroll on My Project. What we want to do is go and split the music. Click on Audio and split from the bottom. Split it as many times as you want. You can also move the split parts towards the end. That's how you can cut and move that particular part of music to the place you want. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.